Tell them what we're doing.
Going to Disneyland.
Travelers, go about your business. We'll make it our business if we need to.
Hey friends, it's Manly and Ashlee coming to you with another 48-hour trip directly from Disneyland for my first time. It's going to be a little bit more jam-packed than our other videos, but we want you to get 1. A realistic expectation on how much you can do in 48 hours, 2. When you may need rest breaks, and 3. How to optimize your time by using the lightning lane and the app to see wait times. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it does help get the video to other people who are wondering if the trip is right for them. We are headed to Disneyland. My first time going. We're gonna spend 48 hours there. It's gonna be awesome. We're staying at the park. So we just got to the airport in Dallas. We're going to fly into LA, and then we're gonna hang out with my sister and my brother-in-law, who you may have seen in the Mexico City video.
Is that in the video? I like you can taste the thing that's in there.
So we're gonna have a quick little 3-hour flight over there, and we'll get situated in the hotel. We'll give you a little bit of a tour, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye. When you get to LA, if you land just to the right of the pickup area, just walk to the rideshare, or else you'll end up riding the shuttle fully around. Hello.
Hi. I guess I need to stop going hi every time you went to camera at me, but I don't know what to
okay. Alright, super nice thing. We actually got to skip the front desk because Ashlee already had the room information and was already like logged in, so we just walked up, we used the phone, it's playing. They have our name on here. Yes, it's already playing. It's amazing. The room is so great. I'll show you some shots of the room. We'll do a full room tour. We're gonna go ahead and unpack and then go find some grub to eat.
We wanted to get started on the fun right away, so we headed to downtown Disney for dinner. There's usually live shows and music happening, so make sure to check that out while you're there. We decided to hit the Jazz Kitchen for dinner so we could enjoy some live music, and we didn't have a reservation, but they were able to get us in right away.
The menu looked pretty good for people able to eat regular stuff. The allergen menu at the intersection of gluten and dairy was pretty small. I think there were maybe 2 to 3 things I was able to have, so I got the jambalaya. It's good. Gluten-free, dairy-free. Thumbs up. With a pretty busy day planned for day 1, we just walked around downtown Disney for a little bit and then turned into the hotel.
We have somewhat of a plan of attack for the morning. Since we have early entry, since we're staying at the Disneyland Hotel, we get to go in 30 minutes earlier than everyone else. As usual, we're running late, so probably the plan we had in mind is not going to work. First tip of the video, get up early, sacrifice that last 30 minutes of sleep so you can get here and be one of the first people in line, and then you can actually enjoy the benefits of the early entry.
But the shorter lines are in the middle. Don't get in the first lines that are at the end.
So I think what we're gonna do is go to Space Mountain first because it's one of the select attractions open really early, and I think it's gonna be a great first Disney ride for Manly. And then I think we'll do Star Tours after that because it's right next to Space Mountain. And then I think, depending what time it is, we might try to do one more ride. But if it's already like after 8, we'll probably go hit Rise of the Resistance as soon as that opens. And then probably weave our way to Indiana Jones, Pirates, and Haunted Mansion. So we're gonna do a little bobbing and weaving this morning, but then that makes sure we hit all the major rides, and then we can relax a little bit. In Disneyland!
Disney! Where's the coffee in Disneyland?
Do you want coffee first or Space Mountain roller coaster wake
definitely
up?
Space Mountain. Let's go.
That'll
Let's
wake
go
you
do
up.
that right now. Get into the park and you walk past the main area, there are signs that say hotel guests early entrance, and you just go and you show them your thingamabobber on your phone, and like there's literally no one here. So we have like 15 minutes maybe to try to get a ride in, so at least we'll get that, and then maybe we can get to the next ride that we want to do before the rope drops. There are a lot of people waiting for the rope drop, so let's see. Editing me, remembering to tell you in order to fully do this, you need 1, the Disneyland app to see the wait times. 2, you need to stay at a Disney resort in the park so you can get the early morning access. And then 3, you need Genie Plus to get lightning lanes throughout the day. Off the ride, super fun. We got our picture linked in the app, so we'll show you that too. On to the next.
I know you are, but why not? I don't have time for this. Destroy!
Hey, you want to know what time your flight is leaving?
What time?
I have no idea.
Thank you.
Keep it. There you go.
How's it going? Good. It's my first time at Disney, and you were the first Disney movie I ever saw. So.
And you're exactly. You're only in trouble if you get caught. So my advice to you, don't get caught.
Our plan was to hit Rise of the Resistance first thing in the morning, but with us running a little bit late to early entry, that didn't quite work out.
We hustled over when the app said 35 minutes, but by the time we got there, it was well over 90 minutes, so beware of those surges.
Disney parks are just next level in like the amount of detail. It's totally immersive. Like they even have custom clothes. I will be getting one. Since Rise was a no-go for the morning, we decided to run over to the Pirates ride, which was only a 15-minute wait. We've spent the morning rushing around trying to get through all of the major rides so that we can spend the rest of the day relaxing. We just got off of Pirates. In case you don't know, Pirates was a ride first, and then they made the movies based on it, and it's one of my favorite rides. Did you like it, Manly?
Oh yeah, it was great. It was really fun, yeah.
Good.
The original plan was to wait on using Genie Plus for Indiana Jones so that Ashlee could ride it twice in the day. The wait time was around 20 to 30 minutes, but unfortunately when we got near the front, the ride broke down, so we had to pivot and move on to the next. We decided to purchase a lightning lane pass for Rise of the Resistance to make sure that we got on it. It was $50, but it saved us about an hour and a half of waiting in line and avoided all of that time with the probability of breakdowns. We ended up buying the lightning pass for the Rise of the Resistance, and 100% worth it. So cool.
Best ride
Show you
ever.
a couple, yeah, we'll show you a couple of shots from getting in there, but
I cried like 3 times.
such a unique use of the space. But yeah, and then we came to get some coffee, and now we're gonna go find some food.
Calf.
Some calf. Sorry, we came to get some calf. We just got our drinks. So you walk up, you buy it, they give you your receipt, and then you take your receipt up there and you give it to them, and then they say, "Where's your cargo?" And then they make your drink for you. So we give mine a try, and then Ashlee will try hers, and we'll let you know how it goes. I obviously couldn't have the other stuff because of my allergies, but Ashlee will try and let me know how it goes.
I do want to find a straw so I can mix it though.
Yeah, alright, let's find you a straw. Ask for the straws up front. They have them hidden, trying to save the environment. You know.
Well, it's a paper straw.
No, it's a paper straw, that's good.
It's good. It's strong coffee too. I just wanted to fun with same coffee.
Whoa, I just zoomed in really hard, beans. Alright. The menu, I forgot to get the menu. It's okay though. Alright, so where is this? We're at the Belle's?
River Belle Cafe, I think.
Alright, so we came to River Belle Cafe. Before we walked in, we asked to see the allergen menu, so it was really cool. They brought out an allergen menu. And then when we sat down, they actually brought one of the chefs out to help and like ask me what I wanted to have. And so we just talked through it. Ended up getting the blackened catfish sandwich, and they're gonna try to sub the bun with the gluten-free bun. And then, what did you get, honey?
I got the grilled cheese.
Ashley got the grilled cheese. He almost got another mac and cheese, but decided to pass on that. Pimento mac and cheese. So I'm hoping that it'll be good. Looks pretty good. It's gonna have like candy bacon on it and stuff. So we'll see when it pops out.
It's good. It's good. It's pretty fresh too. Like,
Yay.
doesn't taste all crusty.
after lunch, we watched a marching band, we did a little shopping, and then we decided to head back to the hotel and grab a drink. Oh my god. That is extremely good. It's called the Tiki rum drink. It's basically a painkiller. It's got rum, cream of coconut, pineapple juice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So basically a painkiller, but with a way cuter name. And look at all these cute decorations. I love it.
That's good. Mine's called the Tiki La Casita, I think. It's like Jose Cuervo, some other things. It just looked good, and I was like, I'm gonna try it. Absolutely delicious. What's up, y'all? I came back to the hotel. We walked like 15,000 steps, I think, in the morning, and my feet were hurting, so I was like, I'm gonna come back to the hotel room. Ashlee's been out and about doing some stuff, but I'm heading back to the park right now to meet her, hit a few more rides, and we're gonna go to dinner, and if we're feeling up to it, we're going to go check out the fireworks show. Riding on back through the security line. It's a lot shorter than it was this morning. There were tons of people this morning going through. We had a little bit of a issue with the same camera mount that I brought in, my tripod. I pulled it out, extended it all the way. They were like, how tall is that? I was like, I don't know, it's like 5 feet. And they're like, oh, well, it can't be taller than 6 feet. I was like, I know. I'm like, I'm 5'11", so it was literally up to like my chin, maybe my chest. So after they were like, okay, yeah, just go in. I wasn't even gonna use it. I just actually was in the backpack from earlier. And I told them, I was like, yeah, we actually were in here earlier with this, using it. So this is my second time in the park. So now to find Ashlee. I've secured the wife. We are now
More like
here.
I've secured the name.
And now we're getting ready to do the, what is this one called? The
Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run?
Smuggler's Run, Millennium Falcon. So, get this one up. All of these things have been like an experience, even just getting on the ride, which is super cool. So I like taking the video of us walking up there. Found a line. She wanted a churro. You know, Ashlee loves her churros. Wait, how much was that? $5. $5, nice. We'll stand over there. Boom. Now we're going to the Buzz Lightyear.
Astro Blaster.
Astro Blaster, let's go. Disney is beautiful at night.
We reach you, Green Squad. What is your position?
Well, we're stuck on the ride that we're just gonna play. I was winning by a lot. I had like 37,000 points. Good 5,000. It was fun though, So we're just waiting here until it kicks back up. We're here with Buzz on a unique, individual Disneyland experience where the ride has broken down. And so now we are all walking, getting the most unique Disneyland experience. Once in a lifetime, you know? Yeah. Indiana Jones, take 2. After it broke down earlier, so hopefully we get better luck this time.
Fair warning, the Indiana Jones ride has seen some better days. There were some effects that weren't working and it broke down a lot throughout the day. It's still a really fun ride though, definitely one of my favorites.
Y'all, here we go. Yeah, I know, I see it. Wow, the line is super short for Splash Mountain. I wonder why. Here we are, about to hit this up. Yo, we literally walked all the way straight up. There's no wait here. Alright, now we've been completely splashed. After we finished, we decided to call it a night for the park. I was super starving. We had about a 15-minute wait to get into this restaurant located in downtown Disney, but it was so delicious and totally worth it. So we just ordered drinks. I got the mistletoe mule. Ashlee got the Santa and the beach. And then I quickly opened with my spiel of being allergic to dairy and gluten. And the thing that I was looking at on the menu, the paella, is the thing that I'm gonna be able to get. It is both gluten and dairy free. I can't wait to try it. We're gonna try our drinks and then we'll hop into the food and we'll let you know how it is. Peace. That's good.
Yay.
That's good. I might get a second one. Probably won't get a second one.
Cute. It looks like a little snow globe. And I get to drink. I was a little nervous if I would like the tequila in this because usually I would put like rum in something like this, but I feel like it gives it a nice layer of complexity or something like that. It's good. I'm already full.
Huh? You're already full? Yeah, that was really good. The octopus was really good. Now let's see how this paella tastes. It's good, very flavorful, crispy on the top. That's actually how I like it, so good. I would definitely recommend getting both of those.
It's good. Ooh, a tomato. I love tomatoes. Oh, it's steamy. After dinner, we decided to call it a night. Luckily, we had a view of the fireworks from our room, so that was a super nice way to end the day. Which brings us to the end of this video. In part 2, we'll be visiting California Adventures. Really excited about that because I've actually never been there, so it'll be the first time for both of us. We're especially excited about Avengers Campus. After we wrap up California Adventures, we'll park hop back over to Disneyland and wrap up our trip.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully the video is helping you decide if this is your trip. And remember, we take the trip so you can decide whether or not you want to.